What's up, gearheads? Today I'm going to show you how to fix this noise. Come on, it's a fart sound. Admit it. Okay, I'm so sorry. And that is the clutch vibrating back and forth. Now, because this is an old clutch, it probably isn't going to last for a long time, but there's a couple things we can do to fix this. There's two things we're gonna try. First thing is we're gonna oil the clutch. Second thing is we're gonna lower the idle speed. Now, lowering the idle speed isn't gonna actually help with fixing the problem with the clutch, but it will help later, because if the engine's idling too fast, then your clutch is gonna catch like it was doing right there, but it'll do it when it's on. It's not working right now because the clutch is actually just stuck, like it's just stuck on. So I have to run it with the wheel off the ground. Obviously, if all this stuff doesn't work, we're gonna get a new centrifugal clutch and I'll show you how to put that on. Let's get to work. All right, guys, so we have the clutch right here, and what we're gonna use is SAE 30 oil. This is like motor oil. You can use any kind of oil, 3-in-1 oil, anything like that. And then I have a candy making dispenser, like little squeezy bottle. This is perfect for what you'll need. So that's what we're gonna use. And then we're gonna put the oil inside of here. Boom, there we go. Now that we have the oil in here, where people said to oil it was right around here. For some reason, I'm not sure why, but I'm just gonna follow what they say. So we're gonna put this under here. Put a little oil in there. And then maybe return it a little bit. Might as well put a little more. Now, one thing I suggest is don't go dumping it in here, because if it gets on the inside of this cup, when the centrifugal clutch starts to spread, it won't lock in because there's oil there, and then it'll be smoking. So don't dump it into these holes. That's not where you want to put it. Just put it right there. And I might as well oil the chain a little bit too. So, alright, I'm just gonna roll it, see what happens. Wow, guys, you saw before, dude, that actually worked. I did not think that was gonna work. Like, I thought that clutch was like so far gone. Like, I thought it was, oh, sorry about that lighting. Let me go over here. I thought that clutch was just done because of how rusty it was, and it just seemed like done because of how like rickety it was. But I guess doing that worked. I mean, that might have solved the problem, because it's, I mean, so guys, dude, simple oil up, literally. So before you go buying any clutch, just make sure, just hit it with some oil. That could solve the problem really quickly. And for me to solve the problem, I'm still gonna take the idle speed and pull it down a little bit, just because it was catching earlier too. That could have just been because it wasn't oiled, but I'm still gonna lower the idle speed. And then after that, we'll be all set. And we might as well go for a little ride. Well, guys, she rides fine. It took me so long to set up that shot. I don't know why I didn't say more. So I'm super happy that all I had to do is oil up the clutch and then it just worked. So I didn't find a lot of videos online on this specific problem and some person showing how to do it. So if it did help you out, definitely hit that like button. And the sponsor of this video is the General Dual Dash Camera. Inside you will find one user manual, one orange tool, 2 adhesive pads, 1 charger, 1 rear camera, and last but not least, 1 front dash cam with an LCD display. So link in the description, General Dash Camera. They're super cool, so go check them out. I don't know, watch another video maybe? Like right there? Click on it. Bye.